one SSD case, when we connect with the MRT, it shows no power. When we power on it, it's no power issues. When we inspection with an SSD, here no power in MRT. So we inspect, we check with the power consumption. The power consumption is there or not in SSD. We found that it is consumed 0.42 ampere, very high power consumed. So there may be some sorting. When we identify the component, it looks these components. When we identify the component, this component is short. This is DC to DC converter which convert the voltage. Okay, so this is all that three different converters are there, but one converter, this is the damage. So we will replace from the donor. We have a same PCB, so we will replace this from the another component. We can check it is already fitted. Now we will check the values. This is offline values. We will check the resistance values and identify it is short or not. Now every component shows the values, that is the diode value. Now we will clean. These all are the three DC to DC buck controller. Now we will connect with an MRT and give the power on. Now DRD DSC come. Now we will auto scan the controller and run utility. Now you can see the sector size has come. Okay. On any selection, when you go here, it will show the sector size. The sector size has been come, means my SSD come in detection. Now we will go Data Explorer. We will go next and open the folder. We just open the structure and check the data is open or not. If hard disk and no other problem, it will ask me the sector size. So 120 GB we will give the manually sector size. In some case we have to give the manually. After giving manually sector size, now it has been shown the folder. Sometime automatic not shows the sectors, so we have to give the manually. Now all the data open. Now whatever the data required, we will copy and paste. This is a physical repairing concepts. That is an DC to DC controller burn we have replaced, and now the data is open. In that sectors access it is no problem, but there is a physical PCB related issues problem. That is an electronics failure. Firmware is okay, everything is okay. So we will copy all the folder whatever the customer required, and SSD is now also working. Okay, thank you.